Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you how to create a manufactured product and a component product. Okay, both of these type of products are really important when we want to manufacture a finished product in the manufacturing app. Okay, so in this case we can create a product from different modules, right? We can create a product from the sales module, the purchase module, the inventory module, or the manufacturing module. For this video, I'm going to access the manufacturing module. So let's start with that. So how can we access? We can click on the icon for the manufacturing module, which is over here. But if we don't find it, we can type manufacturing, or we can start typing manufacturing, and a pop-up window will appear with the manufacturing option on top. So we can click on here and we're going inside the manufacturing module, right? So once here we have a lot of menus on top, right? We are going to the products menu, right? You can see here between planning and reporting. We can click and it's going to deploy several large options, right? We can click on the products. Right now, we are seeing all the products that are configured as goods, meaning that they're physical. We can build these products that are in here. So we are going to create, or we are going to sell a new nightstand, right? So we need to create that nightstand, right? The nightstand, it's going to be our manufactured product, okay? Meaning that this product is going to be basically what are we going to build. So let's start with it's going to be the white oak nightstand. Okay. Night. It's a T. Okay. So once we have the name, we can set up basically what do we want to do with this product, right? So in here, because it's a product that we're going to build ourselves, we only want to sell it to customers, right? So we can enable or disable these different options. For sales, we're going to enable because we want to sell it. We don't want to purchase this product because there's no way to purchase it. We need to buy it. And we're going to take the forecast enabling because we don't need it for this product. Okay, and the most important thing when creating manufactured products and component products is that you need to set up the product type to goods. Okay, so it's already set up, and basically that's it. That's the only thing that we need to create a manufactured product, because after we're going to create the blueprint, right, for manufacturing this product, right, which is the bill of material, which is going to be, I'm going to let it up for another video. So we can save it, right? Let's going to put it to start over here, so we know that it's going to be a popular product. You can see it in here. And now let's create some components for this specific product. So for this nightstand, we're going to use white oak planks, right? So let's white oak planks. This is going to be our main component to build the nightstand that we just created, okay? And these white oak planks can be purchased. We have a vendor that sells us these planks, right? So we can configure it in here. So we can leave it as goods. We can track the inventory because we want to know how many of these components we have inside our inventory, right? And one thing that we have to do for the manufactured product, it's define a category and a company. So let's do it for the wood plank, and we're going to return to the nightstand. So this white oak, it's let's put it as goods, all goods, okay? And the company, it's going to be Ition/San Antonio. This is our branch that manufacture, okay? We can leave the remaining as it is. We can set up a sales price and a cost, right? Let's put the cost to $5 per unit because they sell it by unit. Let's save it. Okay, so now let's go into the white oak stand, and we're going to set a category, right? Where it's going to be finished goods slash bedroom, right? Because it's going to be in the bedroom of our trusted customers, and it's going to belong to IT on San Antonio. So we have the nightstands. The nightstand, and we have the white oak planks. So let's add the white oak legs, right? Because we need some legs for our nightstand. Again, it's going to be configured as good. The product type is going to be goods. We're not going to sell those legs. We're going to purchase it. Let's add the price per unit. So each leg is going to cost $3, right? The category we're going to set up as all goods. And the company again is going to be IT on San Antonio, right? So that's it. That's how you create a component product, right? And how can you create a manufactured product, right? In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a bill of materials, which is going to be attached to the manufactured product. That's important. The bill of materials is the blueprint, so it needs to be linked with the manufactured product, right? Because that's the one that needs components to be built, all right? So I hope this video was helpful on how to create manufactured products and component products. I see you in the next one.